Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to do a short little vlog. We're getting ready to do supper and a drink and a dessert. And our drink is the pumpkin mocha latte. Supper is going to be prime steaks with avocado slices and probably a vegetable, just to make it a bit more. But Mark's here. He's kind of getting things working over here. Say hi, Mark.
Hello.
Mary's over here brushing her hair.
Howdy.
Yes, it is dark outside if you couldn't tell. Been playing on our computers. There's Mary's computer. Here's mine. And as I said, we were going to make the prime for dinner, and we're going to have right there, we're going to heat up the prime, and we're just going to slightly heat it. While Mark's doing that, I'm going to get the avocados out.
Alright, I'm going to melt some butter on here to give it somewhat of a greased area. And then I'm going to take the steaks, throw it on. And I'm trying to cook on one side real quick. These are pre-cooked. We're just browning them. Cook these bad boys. Well, I got them heated, pulling them off. Maybe.
So basically what I just done was I took one of those and I held it in my hand and I start about the middle and I just work my way to both sides. Going as thin as I can, but thick enough that there will be something there. Okay, so then what I do is I just kind of go along the edge of it just to separate the, I don't know, the meat of the avocado from the skin. Okay, so don't know if you can see what I'm doing, but I've got a spoon and I'm just gonna slide it and pick it up. And then just kind of take it like that. Now to do the other two. So let's show the dessert right quick. It's the same thing that we had yesterday, but with a bit of a twist. Look at that. It's still not real thick, but it sticks. Kitty trying to get up to the food. And Mark's doing a bit of the trick where you put it under lids. Kind of a what I would think would be a flash fry.
Anyway.
Kind of. I don't know, it works. But if you guys didn't notice, we did kind of redo this area. We opened this up. I'll just back up. Okay. So this is our floor right now. Our bar area, our counter area, the fridge. Right here where that pipe's going up, that is going to be where the sink is. That stove's coming out. There's going to be a counter there. That's going to be counter. And this is still going to be a bar, but not this. This actually belongs out in the shed for working out in the shed purposes. So.
And then right here, somewhere, we're going to have an island. And then from this point here over to here, we're going to have a gigantic pantry. And we're thinking about getting a small chest deep freezer and shoving it in there so we can put more food.
Yeah. So that's what it kind of looks like. I still have the Christmas tree, which we're going to keep it. We're just going to keep watering it, and then sooner or later we'll plant it, like either in another pot or maybe outside.
I'd rather put it in a pot.
But we got all these cornflakes. If somebody wants to give us ideas for what to use it for, that'd be cool. None of us really like cornflakes. Cornflakes are just bland to us. So what we did was we took a whole box of it, put it in a bag, and kind of crushed it for breading, because we've used it for that. But we don't know what else to use it for. Marks off.
Maybe.
Trying to. So let's go check in on Mary, being she's being all quiet and unsocial. Should shut your computer, woman. Spend time with everybody.
I do.
Not when you got your nose in the computer.
Well, you guys are busy.
We got voices. We got, you know.
We got them out.
Ouch.
There's the plates. Of course, the obbies are right here.
In there,
Meat. Right, so the way I would do the meat is basically put a. That's kind of a smaller piece, so I'm going to put that there. And then take the avocado wings. So then what I would do is just to get a little bit more of a vegetable on there. So then, you get the barbecue sauce.
It comes out of my butt.
Put that on there. So then, you just take and
Bless you, Mark.
put a bit of sour cream there. They can cut the prime, get a piece of avocado, a piece of mushroom, dip it in the barbecue sauce, dip it in the sour cream, and voila, there's your bite. And then take a drink of dessert. The only way I can come up with to get it out of there.
In a cup.
Oh, that looks good.
Hold on. That's about full enough. Smells like popcorn. I don't get that.
Church was over hours ago.
Okay, so there's dessert, dinner, and drinks. And that's gonna wrap it up. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.
So let's go say goodbye to Mary.
Bye. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Comment if you want to see anything different. Let us know. Bye.